Welcome to part 2 of the KX125 rebuild. We just got the bike out here. Ryan's going to take it for his first rip. I got a GoPro there. He's going to take some footage while he's driving. And he's just getting his gear ready. Some of you guys yesterday kind of had a chuckle at me calling him the young fella. Well, he's younger than me and he's a fella, so it seemed pretty legit. All right, Ryan, how was that compared to the first time you drove it?
Well, I'd say the power increased by about 20 to 30%. Overall, the power band kicks in right when it should.
Awesome. So,
sounding smooth and working 100% better than it ever really did, to be
I guess
honest.
we did a good job for our first time.
Yeah, no,
no high fives, COVID.
Oh, yeah.
Gotcha. Anyway, that's great. So we'll get Ryan to do a little more footage on the GoPro, and that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.